Hi guys! In today's video I'm showing you how to transfer money from Western Union to Pakistan. The process is straightforward and effortless. Here, tap on this option, Send Money. And here you can see the option, Receiver Country Name. Tap on it, and search here for Pakistan. As you can see, Pakistan is already selected. The next one is Write the amount, which you want to send to Pakistan. Just for example, I want to send 20 USD. It's the received amount in Pakistan. The next one is, how does your receiver want money? Cash pickup with a debit card, bank account, or mobile wallet. Select your method. And the next one is, how would you like to pay online or pay cash in store? I will select through debit card. Now scroll down further, and here is the option Continue. Simply tap on it after tapping. Here you have to write the full name of your receiver, first name, last name, and below you have to write the email address and the location of your receiver. And to be more secure, write the mobile phone number of your receiver. So it was basic way by which you can send money from Western Union to Pakistan.